our first layer, let's create a cross pattern. After doing the cross pattern, arrange the edges of the cubes. So we are done in our first layer, so let's proceed to the second layer. So I'll only use one algorithm in the second layer. If you see a pattern like shown on the picture, use this move. Face the cube, then top left, up left, top left, down left, top right, twist right, top right, then twist left. Use this move until you're done. Then, let's do the third and the last layer, which is more tricky. Let's do the tank move. Up right, up left, down right, top R, down left. The fish move. Up left, top right, down left, up right, up left, top right, down left. So let's do the last move, which is the Y move. Twist to the right 2 times, the top left, mid up, top 2 times left, mid down, top left, then twist. So you can see, we already solved our Rubik's Cube. Thank you. Peace out.